Cooking Up Knowledge, Understanding Cooking Class. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, cooking class. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and unpack the meaning and usage of cooking class. Cooking class is a compound noun, combining the words cooking and class. Let's break it down. 1. Cooking. This refers to the act of preparing food. Cooking can involve a range of techniques, from boiling and frying to baking. 2. Class. This word often refers to a lesson or course on a particular subject. When combined, cooking class refers to a structured learning environment where individuals learn how to cook. Cooking classes can take place in various settings. 1. Culinary schools, specialized schools focusing on teaching cooking. 2. Community centers, local centers offering recreational cooking courses. 3. Online platforms, virtual classes allowing people to learn from home. In these classes, students typically learn recipes, cooking techniques, and food presentation skills under the guidance of a chef or cooking instructor. Attending a cooking class is not just about learning to cook. It offers several benefits. 1. Skill development. Enhance your cooking skills and learn new techniques. 2. Cultural exploration. Discover cuisines from different cultures. 3. Social interaction. Classes are a great way to meet new people with similar interests. 4. Healthier eating habits. Understanding cooking can lead to healthier food choices. In this section, let's learn some common English phrases related to cooking classes. 1. Whip up a meal, to quickly prepare a meal. 2. A pinch of salt, a very small amount of salt, often used in recipes. 3. Stir the pot, literally to stir what's in a pot, but can also mean causing trouble in a conversation. Understanding these phrases can enhance your English vocabulary, especially in culinary contexts. We hope this video has given you a flavorful insight into the phrase, cooking class, and ignited your passion for both English and cooking. Remember, learning a language is like learning to cook. It takes practice, patience, and a bit of creativity. Happy cooking and happy learning!